Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be telling the battery life in the Redmi K20 Pro after updating to the MIUI 12. So I've been using the MIUI 12 version in the Redmi K20 Pro for the past 1 month, and during this 1 month, I have used the Redmi K20 Pro for about 15 to 20 days. Alternate days I started to use this phone, and I collected the finally the little bit kind of screenshots in terms of the battery drain during the overnight time, and how is the standby time and how much screen on time right now I'm getting. And I'll be trying to compare with the before MIUI 12 and after MIUI 12 update in the Redmi K20 Pro device. And if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description for the more details on the MIUI 12, so you can find very good interesting videos on the MIUI 12 as well, as you can see friends. So let's get started with the update of the MIUI 12 in the Redmi K20 Pro. So after the update, the battery has been decreased a lot friends, definitely. So before the screen on time I used to get close to 6 hours of screen on time in the Redmi K20 Pro, but after the MIUI 12 update I was only getting close to 4 to 5 hours, I think that's it, but little bit got decreased. Definitely I can notice that kind of thing here in the Redmi K20 Pro device. And one more thing, the most frustration thing about the MIUI 12 is that you cannot see the complete screen on time at same time. Every day the screen on time will get reset here. So today I start the phone using it I think 75%. So as you can see right now, you will get the graph only starting from today only. You won't get the graph from yesterday. So overall, in terms of the overall screen on time, you don't get the accurate results here. So that is a main problem for me here, as you can see. So it shows that the screen on time is only 1 hour and 6 minutes, but that's not the case. So even I was using the phone from yesterday morning to till now today evening, I did not charge the phone meanwhile. So yesterday I got the screen on time close to 1 hour, and today 1 hour. So overall I think 2 hours of screen on time with a 34% of battery, and that is with the kind of medium to heavy use. And most of the time my 4G was on and Bluetooth earphones was connected continuously to the device. So as I said, this is a yesterday screen on time which I got about 56 minutes. So at yesterday night 9:48 p.m. and 72% battery, as you can see. And early morning I have taken the same screenshot here, so you can see 66%. So overall there is a drain of 6% overnight in this phone in the Redmi K20 Pro after updating to the MIUI 12 update. So if you're worried how much the battery will get drained overnight, then these are results you have got starting from 9:50 to the 5:50. So overall the time is around I think close to 9 hours of time. So in the 9 hours 6% of the battery got only drop in the Redmi K20 Pro device after the MIUI 12 update. But definitely if you're switching on the mobile data and using the Bluetooth earphones, then the battery life will get significantly decreased in the Redmi K20 Pro device. And we do have the plenty of other battery saving modes, so where you can get as much as juice as possible from this phone. But as you can see, there is a battery saver mode and ultra battery saver mode. I did not use any of those settings or nothing at all, so I did use phone with a high performance here. I did not use any other power saving mode during this time. So right now the battery percentage is of I think close to 34%. So still I will be able to get I think one more screen on 1 hour of more screen on time, or maybe close to 2 hours. So as I said, the results will be 4 hours to 5 hours of screen on time you can expect in this phone, definitely. So that's it friends, this is a quick review on the battery life of the Redmi K20 Pro. So I did notice there is a huge decrease in terms of the battery. So after using for a long time, I could definitely feel the decreased amount of battery in this phone. So for more videos, to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And if you don't get the MIUI 12 update, no need to worry at all. So you're lucky, because there's a huge battery draining problems here. So don't fall for this kind of good looking features and everything, interface and everything. So the battery is at most important for me. So for more videos, to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.